Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add or to set a background to your camera using Microsoft Teams desktop application or desktop client. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop application and connect with your Teams account, and then you will find this window. So now we need just to follow the simple steps, and basically the first thing that I'm doing now is to go either to the device options, or you can just set your background from the meeting. So just click add meeting or create a meeting, and here uh, go to either to the settings, or just add the camera as a temporary solution and click on background filter, and now you can set a background to your camera and it will be saved automatically into your options or into your settings, and then you can just cancel. And when you are going to start a meeting, normally when you are going to start a camera, as you can see, when you turn on camera, you will find that your background is set up and saved in your options. Or you can set up your backgrounds inside the meetings. So basically, you will need just to click on the more actions button and search for background effects, and then you will choose the background that you want, click on apply and apply, just quit the window, and now you have set up your background to your camera, and that's it. And now you can just leave the meeting, and now you have your background saved into your settings or your video settings in Microsoft Teams. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.